Okay.
And it keeps all the cells equal. It's got 3 cells in here. Okay. And they're laid, as you can see, it's a hump here. They fold like an old wooden folding ruler. One lays down on top of the other.
Okay. Now, you get 10,000 of these, and you can have yourself one of those electric cars at the.
Yeah.
It's a Tesla.
Tesla.
That's what they have. I think 10,000 cells.
These are
30,000 hour battery.
64 amps, and it's 11 volts.
Well, that'd be about this. That'd also do those Formula One cars now, which are hybrids. They have a huge